Hi everyone, welcome back to another trading day, Tuesday 14 May 2024. Today we'll be trading long on the Aussie, the Euro and the New Zealand, and short on the US, the Yen and the CAD. At the end of this video, I'll show you my favorite trade idea for today. Dollar index, a little bit all over the place, finding a little bit of support here. Intraday is still very weak on the dollar, but on the medium, long and short term, we're still holding support levels and still very much bullish. On gold, we've retraced now back to the 61% FIP level I showed you yesterday. We saw a morning star reversal there, which was midnight bar, so it was not legit. Right, so unfortunately not. I would like to see another retest and then a counter reversal, maybe a little double bottom here. But I am very much after this on the week dollar and a brand new 4-hour trend starting. So let's see what happens here when it retests here, and then I'll take it from there. Bitcoin giving up a little bit last night. Excellent candle yesterday. Thought that, okay, this is going to push nicely through those levels. I've showed over the last few days a lot of trend lines on the major cryptocurrencies, some altcoins also. Very important that the market takes out those lines. Now, as I showed you here, on Bitcoin will give us the bigger picture, and that is shoulder, head, shoulder, the break. And then I'll get interested if you go and look at Solana, at ETH and all those big ones. You'll see big trend lines. I've showed it last week Friday. You can have a look at that video, and that shows us when this will turn back bullish. In the meantime, we're in a sort of a bearish sideways trend, which I will not take any long positions at present. In the Euro US, we've got a long position here since last week. If you trickled out the stop loss there, you had another opportunity getting back in. Hit it first target, missed the second target unfortunately, but make sure we trail the stop loss to these lows. Very important. Then after that, we still after this level. If I use this big swing here, still see if it trickles out the stop loss there, I won't lose money. We got a T1, so first target bank, the second target, well, not hit, so but there's still money in the bank. Even if we stop out here, we basically got it at entry, and now we're waiting for the 61% FIP to the support, the resistance level could become support again. Then we can take another long day today if it comes back all the way. Aussie US also hitting first target, definitely new high there. 12 stop loss to entry in any language. Don't lose money. You've got a T1, wherever you got in, get it in there. Otherwise, just 10 to 15 pips below that lowest point, which would be around your entry levels. Okay, and still interested there. You can see there at support level, right at 61% level. So Aussie strong green zone. We got the dollar in the red zone, so still very good. Need a test, counter reversal, then I'll get back into the trade. We closed half the position on the first target, so on a retest, nothing wrong adding back into the trade with the stop loss now at break even. You can't lose money, and that's an awesome place to be. So whatever we do here, we do with the market money. And the Dow Jones, well, on a weak dollar, stock market bullish. I still wait for this retracement to come and test this level here. I don't want to be long on those levels. I want to be long, but I don't want to be long at those levels. I would like to see a retracement back here to the Fibonacci 61% level, right at market structure here. Once I get that retracement, I'll get interested, providing we still have a weak dollar. Before we continue, thank you for today's sponsor, Incasu. When your business needs a reporting platform to improve the quality and speed of making decisions, consider Insight BI, a seamless add-on for reporting and business intelligence. Insight BI is an all-in-one, cloud-based 24/7 reporting solution. For more info, check out the link in the description. Move on to the Nasdaq. Nasdaq consolidating just like previously. Got a little bit of a breakout there. The strong white candle got us to go long also. And now consolidating yet again. We had the retest, but no reversal that we could use. But now consolidating again. Nothing wrong going on the breakout there also. Stock market bullish because the dollar is very weak. Trend very strong. So let's hope for a continuation. That would give us a nice long position. But for now, got the original position there. Got a little bit of an adding position there. Now, well, nothing wrong adding there. If it breaks up there, stop loss can come up to this lows here, which will bring you almost at entry on the first entry and still at risk on the second one there. Stop loss started out there. Definitely have your stop loss here now, and if you see the break there, bring your stop loss in there. I'll work, once we break up there, I'll work on a target. Aussie yen. Aussie yen, last directional swing. Aussie green zone, yen red zone, bottom of the pile where it belongs, and a retest back to the support level here, right at the 50% level on Fibonacci. I'll get interested if I can get a retracement. I'm still after this shoulder head shoulder, but it's getting a little bit less likely that it will go there. But in the event that it does, well, then I will watch this level also. So two levels to watch, this retracement and this retracement. I will still work on that target regardless of the entry. In the euro yen, nice swing up the page yesterday, and now if it retraces back to the 61% FIB here, right at market structure there, I'm going to have a look at some counter reversals. Euro green zone, yen red zone, so definitely one of the pairs I want to be long in. In the New Zealand, well, very sideways consolidating scenario. Funny enough that the New Zealand is the strongest of them all, and the dollar is the second weakest of them all, but I still don't get a big run. So one of them are fading. We will see which one it is. So if I can get a retracement back to the 50% level at the structure here, I've explained it yesterday morning also, that'll get me to take some longs and some nice bottom reversals. In the S&P 500 also, weak dollar, strong trend, run up the page, consolidating a little bit. Yes, I guess we can do the breakout there also. If you see the break with a the break, the retest and a counter reversal, that'll give me to take a long there. That seems fine. Other than that, I would like to see a retest of this level at the 50% retracement of this last big swing here. If I can get that retracement and I'm going to get a good strong counter reversal there, I'll then take a long there. Also the break, the retest, and a candle reversal. Then the Swiss yen. Swiss neutral, not after that one, but the yen short I'm after, and by going long on the Swiss yen, that'll give me the short on the yen. If we look at the swing here, big retracement needed, which is highly unlikely for today, but I like to keep them on my watch list. Support level here, market structure coming in here, very strong level, but that's the retracement I need. Most likely not going to happen today, but I keep them on my watch list. And my favorite trade idea for today is along on the pound US. This nice double bottom here, irregular double bottom, but call it a double bottom. The retest, you can see how the market confirms this structure a lot. So pound strongish, neutral, but the dollar bearishness, that's what I'm after. And going long here will give me the short on the dollar. So if I can get a retracement back to this market structure here, if it can just get back to between 50 and 61%, if it tests that and I get a strong counter reversal, that's the area I will definitely consider some longs. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. Please fill up the comments below this video. I've been trading since 2003, and if you are eager to take your trading skills to the next level, check out the link in the description to join my mentorship program. Support this channel by opening a trading account with a trusted broker from the link below, which I've been using since 2010. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risk, so don't forget to trade responsibly and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. I can't wait to see my next video. Until then, trade well.